time I see you cry, I don't understand. Tell me why would you do this? Why can't you leave when you have the chance to do it? Don't you know every time you're hurting too? I wanna love you from the sideline, but I can't, 'cause you already got a man. So I'm telling you this, girl, you're worth every dime in the world. Yeah. And every time I do it all again, I still don't understand that you won't leave inside. Just trust me, babe, I'll give you everything a queen should get.
Hey, hope you guys enjoy that little snippet. I need a rapper on this track, so